Hello once again all together. We are back again to our channel and you are welcome to our kitchen. Today we will bake a different types of bread from one dough, one preparation of dough. Our food discovery today, our food delicious is pizza, folded bread, baguette, and other types of biscuits. For our dough, we need 1 kilogram flour, 600 ml water, 15 grams dry yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, lemon extract, and some oil. Let's going to prepare first our dough. Now we will mix all together the flour, the dry yeast, lemon extract, and the salt, and later we will use oil. Knead the mixed ingredients until we get a soft dough. Massage the dough with some oil and then cover it with a cloth and let it rest for 1 hour to 1.5 hours. While the dough is resting, it is also growing. Parang tayo rin, pag natutulog tayo, tumutubo tayo. Pero para lang yun sa mga bata na apply sa mga matatanda, hindi na nagsisink na tayo. We will press the dough to remove the gas or the air inside so it is not bloated anymore. And then we will divide it into 4 pieces. Knead again or punch it again before dividing it into 4 pieces to remove the air of our dough. We divided our dough into 4 pieces. We have here for baguette, for pizza, for biscuits, and that rest is for the folded bread. By the way, why we have to deflate or remove the air from our growing dough? Because while it is growing, it has a presence of gluten, and gluten is not good for our body, especially to those have a celiac disease. The gluten can be found in the flour or some noodles. By deflating it, we remove the gluten or we minimize the gluten from our dough. So, the making of folded bread is almost the same. The procedure is almost the same how we prepare the dough of our pizza. We flatten the dough, and as you can see here, we use a butter. This butter is a special butter with herbs like parsley, basil, garlic, and salt, pepper. We apply it, and then we will cut or slice this dough and fold it and put into the baking pan or a baking glass. And then we let it grow again for about 30 minutes. And we will cover until it will grow. After 30 minutes, we can bake it with 100 80 degrees Celsius and within 30 minutes or until 45 minutes or until it is golden brown. That's our dough. Now it grows and it is ready for baking. And here is our bread, folded bread. It smells so good and it tastes so good. It's done. So we will jump to the other bread. This second dough is for our baguette or what we call French bread. Just concentrate watching kung paano natin gawin ang ating baguette. Ang baguette ay kakaiba siya sa ibang bread kasi we need 1 hour to 2 hours to let it grow again. Patubuin natin siya ulit ng 1 to 2 hours bago natin siya i-bake. Pag nasundan nyo ito, pwede kayong gumawa sa bahay. You can make your own bakery and you don't have to run to any bakery to buy some bread. Here is our baguette now, the form of our baguette. We let it grow. We let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. Now here is our growing baguette and then we can bake it for 30 minutes and we have here our finished baguette or French bread. So we are going to jump again to the other bread, which is pizza. The third dough is for pizza. We will make now an original Italian pizza dough. The Italian pizza dough is thin than the American pizza dough. What makes special for the Italian pizza dough? If you make it so thin, it will be crispier than the thicker pizza dough which usually baked or prepared in America. So as you can see, it is so thin. And then we will apply now our other ingredients to make it complete pizza. First, we have a homemade tomato sauce from our garden. The tomatoes from our garden, and the next is our bacon. Followed by the salami. And to the other side is for a vegetarian people. It is pineapple, tomato, and you can also put some pepperoni or some olive. Now we will apply we will put also onions all over the pizza. And the next is the cheese. We have here a cheese and toppings with shredded cheese. And now it's ready for baking. So we will bake it within 15 minutes with 250 degrees Celsius. We have here now our pizza. Here we go. Our pizza is ready to eat now. And for our last dough, the fourth dough is for biscuits. I will advise you to those first time to make a biscuit, please concentrate. We have here a dough. We will multiply this into different shapes of biscuits. First, we will make a bread sticks. So that's our breadsticks, and now we will make another form of bread. or a biscuit. Very easy. Even a 5-year-old one, they can make this. And this is fun to do with children also. Like you have just a baking time and also at the same time bonding time with your kids. The third form is a ball, or only just a round one. Very easy. And now another form is we will use a cup to form a circle. So it's really very easy. As I've said, even 5 years old kid can do this. So to add some flavor, we have here a curry or a curcuma. Or you can use also a cheese, powdered cheese. And now here are our different shapes of biscuits. And we can bake it right away. We don't need to wait for any minutes to grow. We can bake it into the oven now with 200 or 220 degrees Celsius. Introducing our home-baked biscuits. This is good for parties, picnics, or you can also use this as a gift to a special friend or to any occasions. And surely your kids will love it. Try this at home and you don't need to run to any supermarkets or to run to any bakery to buy some breads and biscuits. I hope you learned something from today's baking. Cheers! Bye-bye! Ciao, ciao!